Good morning. Welcome to my live trade session. It is Friday, February 23rd. Let's get right into it. Market just opened 3 minutes ago, and honestly, it already hit my TP for NASDAQ. I may or may not take a trade today, to be honest. But I can go over my bias with you one more time just to share with you what I'm looking at specifically. Obviously, it is clear as day. We are bullish on the 4-hour and uptrend. On the 1-hour, obviously, as well, we are in an uptrend. Now, being that both my higher time frames are in alignment with one another, I would love for price to come down here, sweep these 1-hour lows. If that were to happen, I would drop down to the 5-minute, wait for a break of structure to the upside, and then wait for one of my three confluences to enter. Confluences being an order block, filled and rejected, fair value gap filled or rejected, and I like when it also aligns with equilibrium. So, but this was my TP for NASDAQ, and it looks like it was already hit. So if that does happen, what I just explained, I would really just be looking to take it back to the high of the day. Same exact thing for ES. 4-hour, we are obviously bullish. 1-hour, bullish. I'd love for price to come down, sweep these 1-hour lows before heading back up. And if it were to do that, I would just take it back to the high of the day. So that's what we've got. We've got no news today. And so I may or may not even take a trade, if I'm being honest. If I'm being honest, we are back to the all-time highs for both NASDAQ and ES. I could use a Fibonacci to kind of gauge somewhere in the abyss where price wants to go. I don't know. I don't even have Fib levels marked out on my trading view. So let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't even, it's not even, yeah, there's nothing. So I'm not going to do that. Again, may or may not take a trade today, just depending on what the heck price wants to do. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to pause this until we get any sort of action. So I'll see you in a sec. Not going to lie, you guys, my intuition is telling me not to trade today. I don't know. I'm just getting an intuitive pull not to trade. On the 1-hour, it's been almost 30 minutes since market open. Nothing crazy. It's about to be 10 a.m. East Coast time. This looks like price swept this liquidity of this 4-hour and 1-hour high, also all-time high liquidity. I feel like, again, what I would be looking for, because we're still both bullish on both the 1-hour and the 4-hour, and this 1-hour candle is closing in the next 3 minutes. I'd love for price to come down here, sweep this liquidity, and take it back up. But who's to say it wants to do that? It's Friday as well. I'm up for the week. I'm hella up for the week, actually. Maybe like 4% up for the week. Let's take a look. I could be lying. Also, this is all on paper trading. This account started at 10K. Now we're at 14. So I feel good. Actually, I think that's like 40%. I'm going to make myself look like an idiot. Yeah, it's like 42%. It shouldn't be 42%. I'm just going to put that out there. The account balance ratio to like the units I was like the lot sizes. It just doesn't add up. Overall, though, I'm up for the week. So maybe this is a day, although it's paper trading, so it doesn't really matter. I think what matters the most is being able to kind of build the habits now, in terms of if I'm up for the week and it's a Friday and prices at all-time highs, like maybe it's okay not to trade, you know? And so paper trading or not, I think it's about instilling the habits into myself now. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So this is kind of like a little motivational live trade call. Also, this gives me some time back in my day, which will allow for me to go over my trades from the previous week and upload them into TradeZella because I'm a little behind. So I'm going to pause this again. Maybe I will take a trade. Maybe I won't, but I'm leaning towards not taking a trade. We are still, the 1 hour candle just closed, and that's where we're at right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, it's been decided. I'm not taking a trade today. So this is my live trade session. I'm still going to post this on YouTube. And that's it. I hope you all have had a very profitable week. I'm really excited to transition from paper trading to actual trading next week. Going to also be, I'm just excited. I'm excited. Lots to come. And we had a really great profitable week, which is so exciting with my revamped I don't really know what I'm calling it, but if you've been tuning into these videos, then you'll know that I kind of reshaped my trading plan and how I trade. The word's not coming to my head right now, but I've revamped it and I feel really good. And this week was all about just testing it out on a new platform, testing it out on futures. And as you can see, we had a 40% week, which is psychotic. Like, do not recommend. But I translate into having like a 4% week, which is fantastic. So claps all around, and I will see you next week on Monday. But until then, have a great weekend. Hope you had a really successful trading week, and I will see you soon. Bye.